Pollution is a problem caused by loud and disturbing sound in our environment. It affects our well-being and the quality of life. Firstly, noise pollution comes from various sources such as traffic, construction sites, industrial machines, even everyday activities like music played at high volumes. This constant barrage of noise can be harmful to our ears, stress, and irritation. Secondly, disrupts our peace, can make it difficult to concurrent relax sleep. It can lead to health problems like high blood pressure and sleep disorder affecting our overall health. Furthermore, it harms wildlife and their habits. Animals in a natural environment can highly sensitive to noise. Our sound from human activity can disturb their breeding, feeding, and communication pattern, which can have long-term ecological consequences. And noise pollution impacts our communities. It can create conflicts between two and decrease property values. In conclusion, significant issue that